Hey guys! Today let's learn the names of Lifeboat and Davit parts. Let's take Circular MSC 1205. Revised Guidelines for Developing Operation and Maintenance Manuals for Lifeboat Systems as a reference. It is suggested that standard wording be used here to explain lifeboat systems, and here is an example of this wording with illustrations. It is recommended that alternative terms are avoided, but I will show them as they are more common in practice. Platform. Platform. Frame. Frame. Davit arm. Also, cradle. Davit arm. Also, cradle. Davit arm stop handle. Also, harbor pin. Davit arm stop handle. Also, harbor pin. Remote control wire. Remote control wire. Hand crank handle. Also, emergency handle. Hand crank handle. Also, emergency handle. Skate. Also, skid. Skate. Also, skid. Boat winch. Boat winch. Hand brake lever. Hand brake lever. Limit switch. Limit switch. Auto-releasing gripes. Auto-releasing gripes. Trigger hook. Trigger hook. Boat fall wire. Boat fall wire. Suspension link. Suspension link. Suspension block. Suspension block. Davit horn. Davit horn.